Welcome to this Broadcom video on the CA7 server for AAI instance request menu. This video focuses on the instance request menu. This menu offers 4 key actions on a specific instance. Display the system log of the instance server STC. Trigger a manual generation of the definitions file or files and send them to AAI. This is particularly important if we decided not to automate this process in the configuration screen. If the LPAR is brought down, we'd perform a recovery and reacquire the data we lost during shutdown. Provided this is a warm recovery, we can ignore the checkpoint, in other words the date and time of last event file generation and transfer. Finally, we can shut down the instance. We select the instance slot and enter option M. We have 4 options. Option 1 displays the software log. Option 2 triggers a manual delivery of the definition data. Option 3 makes it possible to override the last saved checkpoint date and time so that the next warm start will be processing from the date and time you set instead. Option 4 shuts down. This is the standard output of the server STC. These are the options for a manual delivery of definition data. You can select option 1 for all. Option 2 is for job definitions, which delivers LJOB. Option 3 is for datasets, which delivers LDSN, which contains dependencies on datasets definitions. Option 4 is for calendars, which delivers SCAL. Option 5 is for time zone, which delivers the time zone definitions. When the software delivers the RPT70 file to the AAI host, the date and timestamps are saved to the SRVR CKPT, or checkpoint dataset. This dataset is used during a recovery in warm mode. All event data moving forward from the checkpoint date and time and up to now is generated using both the current and history logs and delivered to the AAI server before polling can restart. Overriding the last saved checkpoint date and time means you can set the next warm start to process from a different date and time. This may be earlier in order to catch up with data that was missed, or later in order to skip data we don't want to recover. For example, if CA7 server for AAI is down for several days, you may decide to start processing data from the beginning of today and not bother capturing missing data from previous days. The software must be stopped before this value can be changed, and will only be effective if it's subsequently started in warm. Thank you. This concludes the video.